In today's online world, one of the hottest trends right now is making viral shorts. Those quick, fun videos that grab people's attention instantly and blow up on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. What's even cooler? Making these shorts without ever showing your face. Yep, faceless shorts are a thing, and thanks to AI or artificial intelligence and some amazing digital tools, they're easier to create than ever. If you want your videos to go viral, they have to look awesome right from the start. That means you need killer thumbnails. Think bright neon colors blending from blue to purple to pink, something that immediately makes people stop scrolling. Throw in a slick-looking AI avatar or robot silhouette with a glowing outline, and you're signaling to your viewers, hey, this is something fresh and cool. Next, your thumbnail's text needs to pop. Big, bold fonts in neon yellow, green, or white with punchy lines like viral shorts or no face needed do the trick. The clearer and catchier your thumbnail text is, the more clicks you'll get. Including icons people recognize, like the YouTube Shorts logo, helps your video feel legit right away. A fun robot emoji or AI icon can also show off your video's techie, creative side, making your content stand out even more. Keep your thumbnails simple but powerful. Good visuals, clear text, and smart icon placement make your thumbnails impossible to ignore. AI isn't just great for thumbnails, it's awesome for creating the videos themselves. Tools like ChatGPT and Syllabi AI make writing your scripts fast and easy, giving you fun, engaging, and SEO-optimized content without the headache. These AI tools help you find hot trends automatically so your videos always stay relevant and appealing to your audience. Visuals matter too, and tools like DALL-E Mid-Journey or Stable Diffusion let you quickly create eye-catching images. Then, platforms like Pictory Invideo and Runway ML take your scripts and images and effortlessly turn them into polished, professional-looking shorts. Using these AI-powered tools means you spend less time struggling and more time actually creating and uploading viral shorts consistently. You'll see your views shoot up, grow your audience faster, and unlock more ways to earn money from content. So if you're ready to jump into the world of viral faceless shorts, now's the perfect time to get started with AI on your side.